Hello everyone, welcome to sacral chakra activation and charging meditation. Sit or lie down comfortably and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in deeply and let go. Relax your face, your shoulders, your stomach, and your whole body. For the next few minutes, simply allow yourself to relax, receive, and reconnect with yourself. Bring your attention to your lower abdomen, a few inches below your navel. Imagine a beautiful orange light glowing there. With every breath, see this orange light becoming brighter, warmer, and stronger. Breathe into this space. As you breathe in, imagine fresh, positive energy entering. As you breathe out, release stress and emotional heaviness. Breathe in, receive, breathe out, release. Feel the warm orange light spreading through your lower abdomen, your hips, your lower back, and gently through your whole body. Now imagine yourself standing beside beautiful, peaceful river. Watch how naturally the water moves. It doesn't hold on to yesterday's wave. It doesn't struggle to become tomorrow's wave. It simply flows. Allow this image to remind you life is moment, life is change, life is flow. Silently repeat, I allow life to flow through me. I release the need to control everything. I trust myself to adopt. I allow change without losing myself. I move with life rather than fighting against it. Take a deep breath. Bring your awareness back to the orange light within you. Imagine that light gently illuminating emotions you may have been carrying. Maybe disappointments, rejection, embarrassment, guilt, or it can be shame. You don't need to analyze them. Say to yourself, I honor my emotions without allowing them to control me. I give myself permission to feel. I give myself permission to heal. I release emotional burdens that no longer belong in my present. I release old guilt. I release shame. I release the weight. And imagine the old heaviness flowing away like dark water, leaving your inner space clearer, lighter, and peaceful. Now take a deep breath in. Keep focusing on your energy center and keep visualizing the orange bright light. When you exhale, gently chant Vam. Now place one hand gently over your lower abdomen and the other over your heart. Feel your breath moving between these two spaces. Now repeat after me. I accept myself as I am. I respect myself. I honor my needs. I honor my feelings. I listen to my inner wisdom. I am worthy without having to prove my worth. I do not need to compare my journey with anyone else's. I am enough in this moment, and I am still growing. I deserve relationships built on mutual respect. I respect my boundaries. I respect the boundaries of others. I can say yes when something feels right. I can say no when something does not serve me. It is completely okay. I release my emotional patterns that repeatedly drain my peace. Now place your hands gently over your heart. Take a deep breath. Repeat silently. I honor who I have been. I accept who I am. And I welcome who I am becoming. I release what has ended. I receive what is beginning. I allow myself to feel deeply, love wisely, create freely, and live joyfully. My emotions can move without overwhelming me. My creativity can flow without needing perfection. My relationships can grow without losing myself. My success can expand without losing my peace. I trust myself. I trust my ability to adopt. I trust myself to create. I trust my ability to begin again. I am ready to create a life that feels meaningful from the inside out. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your body. Feel the surface. Gently move your fingers. Move your toes. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you.